First there was the Mokka X, then they gave us the Grandland X, and now Opel have completed its triple X lineup with this, the new Grandland X. A full-size, full-fat SUV with some very stiff competition to live up to. So the looks are pretty inoffensive. It's your typical big, chunky SUV, although it does have quite a bit of height, which gives it a nice bit of road presence. But let's see how well those large dimensions translate to space inside. Let's start with the boot. According to Opel, it can hold up to 514 litres, which is not the biggest in the class. It is bigger than a Nissan Qashqai, but quite a bit smaller than a Volkswagen Tiguan. It is quite practically shaped and easy to load, with no load lip, so that you can get things in and out quite easily. But the best thing about it is that on SRI models like this one, you can open and close it like this. Space in the back again feels quite middle of the road. It's not cramped, but it's not huge either, especially in terms of knee room. There is, however, plenty of headroom and enough space to fit three in a row quite comfortably with no annoying hump in the middle of the floor. Sit in the front and be prepared to get very, very comfortable, because Opel do a seriously good seat. And the big bolstered support on this one makes it feel very easy to settle into for a longer journey, as does the amount of adjustment in the seat and steering wheel. The interior itself is fine, if a little bit predictable. See, the big problem with this car is that it's very closely related to the Peugeot 3008, and when you look at what they've done with that cabin, this starts to feel a little bit dull. But while it might not be very exciting, it is very easy to use. Everything is where you expect it to be, and it does come with one of the better infotainment systems on the market at the moment, which is Opel's IntelliLink. The 8-inch colour touchscreen display comes complete with all the latest smartphone integration, as well as USB and Bluetooth connectivity. So OnStar is an inbuilt support service that has various different functions, the main one being a safety feature. So if you're in an accident and find yourself unable to call for help, OnStar will be able to transmit details of your location and the condition of the car to the emergency services, thus possibly saving your life. But it can also be used to make vital calls like this one.
OnStar, this is Andy. How may I help you?
Hi Andy, could you please tell me where the nearest pizza place to me is?
Yes, of course, madam. It would be my pleasure. I am just searching for the nearest pizza place right away.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Yes, madam. So I have now located here Pizzas and Cream Bray on Albert Walk in Bray, County Wicklow.
Excellent. Thank you, OnStar.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, that's fine.
Then thank you for using OnStar. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your meal. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye. It also works as a portable Wi-Fi hotspot, which will allow you to connect up to 7 devices at a time, which will keep everyone on board connected, entertained, and most importantly, quiet. This is the mid-range but very well-spec'd SRI model, which comes with sat-nav, parking sensors, dual-zone automatic climate control, automatic lights and wipers, and ambient lighting in the cabin. On the styling front then, it's got 18-inch alloy wheels and tinted windows, and safety-wise it comes with lane departure warning, traffic sign recognition, and a full 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating. Engine choice at the moment is a straight call between a 1.6 litre diesel and a 1.2 litre petrol, which is what I'm driving today. Now, a 1.2 litre petrol might seem like a very small engine for a beast of this size, but like many of its competitors in the class, which are also downsizing to smaller petrols, a turbocharger helps it develop enough power at 130 PS so that it never feels like it's struggling. And it doesn't, but it doesn't feel particularly exciting either, and it's one of those SUVs that you really do feel its bulk on the road. As well as that, the power uptake can feel a little bit jerky and the gear shift is a little bit notchy. Overall, it just doesn't feel as refined as some of its rivals, most notably the Nissan Qashqai. Some of the positives to driving it though are that it is still extremely comfortable. It's got those great seats I mentioned earlier. This one even comes with a heated steering wheel and a suspension setup on the softer side of the spectrum, so it does a really good job of cushioning you over any rough road surfaces. But unfortunately the trade-off for that is because it is quite a tall vehicle, it tends to roll a little bit on corners. If it sounds like I hate driving the Grandland X, I really don't, and I totally get the sense of safety, security and space it's going to give a family. But if you're someone who likes driving for pleasure, there are more engaging rivals out there. The Grandland X is impressive when it comes to technology in the cabin, good to look at and comfortable for all on board. But is that enough to make it stand out, or is it a case of just another SUV? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. You can check out its competitors here and here, and if you'd like to see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe here.